A parking spot is used for?
Cars to park.
Correct. For your first prize, you get a set of power snips.
Woo!
Pikachu.
What are French fries made from?
You keep your mouth shut, I'm gonna go in there and slap your...
Potatoes.
Potatoes is correct. And for your second prize, you get drill bits.
Woo!
What is the height of Mount Everest?
Logan knows that. 32,614.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 29,029 feet or 8,848 meters. All right, thanks so much for playing.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
thanks
you,
a lot.
sir.